They were building the new system, or the new second was building across the system. I saw the screens and stuff on the video. Sweet. I'm assuming it's that stuff. On Methodist, right over there on that screen.
Hey.
This is on the other side of this is the roof. Notice how this roof goes up to a peak. You know, you can go outside the building and you can see that all the roofs here go up to a peak, right?
Yeah.
Have I ever set you up before? Have I ever lied to you before? Well, we'll see. Hey, what's over here? Okay, come here.
I like it.
This is what feeds each individual floor. This air handler right here serves the third floor, west end. Downstairs where we were talking, the variable air volume boxes. Somebody was asking where the fan is. The fan is actually right here in this section. It's got a variable speed drive on it, and so as it warms up during the day, those boxes open up. It's got a variable speed drive that senses the differential pressure in the ductwork, and it speeds the fan up. And at night, when those boxes close off, it slows the fan down. On this system, you've got a supply fan that is blowing air into the space. And then when we were looking at that duct at the back of the room, you've also got, this is a return fan that's pulling the air back out of the room. Comes around, comes through, goes across this is where we're getting the chill water from the central energy plant, which is coming out of that, where he's talking about the shaft. That chill water goes down to the main mechanical room. When it comes up here, goes through here, and we're modulating this control valve for this air handler to put out 55-degree air.
And this is really chilled water. It's not heat exchange downstairs.
Right. This is directly from the plant. It doesn't go to a heat exchanger. So we put it out of the chillers at, right now we're putting it out at 42 degrees, and it's coming directly from the plant to this core.
So now you need chilled water that even in the wintertime to be hydrated.
Right. We just use less of it. Well, I'll take that back. If we are below 55-degree air, or 55-degree outside air, we do not use chill water. We use outside air. I'll show you the system over here that you can see that a little bit better how we do that.
So how many of these air handlers? You said this was from the west side, the third floor. How many of them are there?
There's 5 total in this building. The one that's down on the far end serves the whole east building. This air handler
It's not classrooms. It's mostly offices.
Mostly offices.
Yeah, serves that whole east
That's the
building.
nicer one.
This one serves the third floor on the west side of the building. That one serves the second floor on the west building. The one over here serves the fourth floor that we just come off of. And there's one all the way down at the back that is actually serving the first floor of the west building.
Wow. So you're saying that one unit, the one unit on that side is for every...
For all 4 floors. Yeah, there's not a first floor over there.
Right. You've got a lot of really long... That does make sense. It's many human bodies over there.
Hey, White Thing, go over here and let me take a picture. White? Just 2 of you here today? White?
Smile good.
One? Read me those 2 temperatures over there, Andrew.
This one's 72.
And the other one? That's a very good question. The dorms across, Coley, of course, also their own. The new place down near Houston Street, what's that dorm area called? Those dorms have their own. Challenger Center has it all. The administration building has its own stuff. Everything else, well, Frist Hall doesn't. What about the
District count there. Oh, I figured like.
Because they only have like capacity.
all boils down to because they could increase the capacity.
It's terrible heat, you know.
Let me tell you a little story. When we first moved in this building, we had a lot of stuff out of Grody that we wanted to move over here, and we said, oh, wow, look at all this storage space. And they say, no, you can't store it because the fire marshal won't let you. Now, what do you suppose this is now? You suppose the fire marshal was asleep? Or you suppose somebody was lying to us 7 years ago?
Yes, it does. Certified storage. It's allowed. It's a razor wire. Barbed wire.
I like the barbed wire on the top. That really lets you know where you are. Nice neighborhood.
The units that we looked at downstairs, this is the condensing unit.
Oh yeah.
For the unit that was in the electrical closet downstairs. I mean, it's just like a, any split system like it would be in a house.
You can feel heat coming out right here. The heat you feel coming out right here comes from those transformers. And so these two things are proof that whoever designed
Oh yeah. Ooh, that's not where I want to stand.
We are going to do, when they build the new library, they are going to do a gray water system. And there's going to be an underground storage tank that the rainwater and condensate off of units goes to, and they're going to use that for irrigation. So, they are.
What about sinks in the bathroom?
I don't know if sinks in the bathroom are going to go there, but I know condensate and rainwater is going to go there.
This is the closed system, the water supply, as you said, this closed, the air at the top end.
Watching the timer.
Well, we've got
After 10 minutes, stop it.
Okay.
Right, yeah, you do, and we have small leaks for the chill water system. We make up in the central energy. We've got a make-up water system. And each individual building hot water system has a make-up system too. So we do lose water out of it.
Have you talked about this yet?
I was going to go,
Okay.
it's going to hear this unit, it's easier to see it down here.
What? I don't understand what it's like.
So there's no need to have caution. Yeah. But it doesn't say anything.
You want to talk about this right here, Dr.